Hello, we are BrickBunchUSA, and today we'd like to show you how to build this simple, great ball contraption module. It's an easy one to build. It doesn't require that many pieces, so it's a great one to start out with. Let's begin. To show you the insides of this module, I built a second one that we can cut away that it makes it a lot easier to see inside. So you can see as I turn the axle, which has the motor power connected to it, you can see the camshaft moving the stepper part of the module. Now this axle is connected to a worm gear block here, which has a 24 tooth gear and a reasonably sizable worm gear inside that allows the power to be transferred this direction into this little gear chain here, which extends it upwards so it's an easier position if you choose to power share with other modules. These are all the parts you're going to need to build the gearbox section of the module, which is the hardest part to build, and it does require a few specialized parts such as this worm gear block, this worm gear, and this 4-stud Technic axle with pin on the end. You're also going to need a few plates, a few pieces of 1x4 and 1x2 Technic brick, a 24 tooth gear, a 16 tooth gear, two 8 tooth gears, two 6-stud Technic axles, a 3-stud Technic axle, three 1-stud Technic bushings, and a 1/2 stud Technic bushing. We'll start by inserting the worm gear into the worm gear block. Then we'll take a 6-stud Technic axle, put it through the side, and attach a 1/2 stud bushing to the end. Then we'll take one piece of Technic brick, 1x2, a 1x2 plate, and a 8-tooth gear. Then we'll add on a piece of 1x4 Technic brick, a 3-stud Technic axle, and we'll attach the 16-tooth gear to that. Then we will attach another piece of 1x4 Technic brick. But before we put it on there, we're going to put in the 4-stud Technic axle with pin on the end so it doesn't fall out. Attach the 8-tooth gear, and then we'll put the two 1x4 plates over to the side and put them together. Then we will take these two pieces of Technic brick, put them together, attach the plates to the top, slide this assembly onto the end, take the other Technic axle, slide the 24-tooth gear into the worm gear block, run the axle through it, attach one bushing to this end, and two bushings to this end. Now we're going to build the actual pusher step and arm. These are all the pieces you're going to need. Most of them are pretty simple and easy to find around your collection. We need two of these 1/2 stud wide, 3-stud long Technic lift arm pieces, a few frictionless Technic pins, one with an axle end, a 2-stud Technic axle, two of these axle to crossways pin connector pieces, a few 1x8 pieces, a 1x6 brick, two 1x2 bricks, two 1x8 plates, again one piece of 1x4 Technic brick, and two of these 2x4 curved plate pieces. We'll start by building the arm. Take the 1x8 brick, attach the 1x2 bricks, the 1x4 Technic brick, another 1x8 brick, yet another 1x8 brick, and then we'll take the two 1x8 plates and the two 2x4 sloped plates and attach them together. We'll take the 1x6 brick and put this on the back and then attach this to the top. Then we'll set this aside and build the arm. We'll take these two pieces here, the two axle to cylindrical pin connectors, slide the 2-stud Technic axle in between them, take the 1 gray Technic pin, put it on top, the tan Technic pin and put it on the bottom, and then we'll take the 2 half-stud Technic bricks and attach them to the pin. Then we'll take the gray pin and slide it into the arm. Then all of this will attach to the gearbox. Do note that the pusher arm connects after the 2 bushings. We're going to start by building the 10 by 10 by 10 frame of the module. So we'll take our plates, put them together. This is a 6 by 8 plate, a 4 by 8 plate, and a 2 by 10 plate. And we're going to attach our first layer of the module to it. Do note the pieces over here. There must be one 1 by 2 plate here and one 1 by 2 plate here to accommodate the gearbox. Then we're going to put the gearbox into the module. Make sure that the blue bricks on the outside line up. Attach the worm gear block to the base, and your gearbox is in. Then build this layer, making sure that there is a 2 tall and 4 wide space for the edge of the gearbox. Slide this over the pusher arm so that it fits. Then build the third layer. This is just a 10 by 10 with 8 studs worth of empty space in the middle. And then we have the fourth layer. This one's a bit more complicated. We have a space here, a few bricks over here that are larger. And we have one 1 by 8 plate here. This goes like that. And then we have the final layer here, which is separated into 2 parts. We have the part going this way here, and the part going that way here. Then we have the ball holding slope, 2 1 by 8 bricks, a 1 by 8 plate, and this large roof piece. This goes in right here. To attach a motor to the module, you will need 2 Technic pins placed onto the Technic brick. These slide into the holes on the motor, allowing it to hang freely. The module works by having the balls contained on the angled ramp piece, which directs them onto the stepper arm, allowing it to drop anywhere from 0 to 4 balls at a time.